Hi, I'm Johanna Ackerman. I'm the mom and the owner behind Three Little Tots, and I thought I'd just sit down and discuss our journey with how we started, and then just the processes behind designing each of our products. So it all started about 12 years ago with the birth of my nephew Carter. When he was born, he had 2 holes in his heart, and he needed open heart surgery, but they wanted him to grow before they did the surgery, and the doctor told my sister-in-law that if he got sick, it could potentially be life-threatening for him. And so, as you can imagine, her anxiety was through the roof. Her first kid, and then to have a child who was sick and was going to need surgery is very stressful. To help with her anxiety and fears, I designed just a plain circle sign made out of paper, and I laminated it that would go on his car seat that just asked people not to touch him and to wash their hands and sanitize before they did touch him. And then that way, whenever she was out in public or around our huge family, everyone knew to wash their hands and sanitize before they came near him. And all my family loved it, she loved it, and my other sister, Jessica, introduced me to Etsy. It was brand new at the time, and she said, hey, you should try selling these online on Etsy. I'm sure other moms would like this. And so I was fresh out of college, had my first time full-time job working with my family. I had all this extra amazing time after work. So I started making designs on my computer, printing them out on paper. I would laminate them and cut them. I was pregnant with my son Harrison, and I actually wound up having a preemie with him. His story is another video, whole nother video I could tell you about his birth. He was born at 29 weeks, and so I started making, hey, I'm a preemie, please don't touch me, because their lungs are underdeveloped, and so any sickness for them can be life-threatening as well. And then so I'm a preemie, and all these moms were messaging me, say, hey, I don't have a preemie, but I want this for my newborn. And as I did research, I realized that there are really great benefits to keeping some germs away from children, especially from strangers, people that you don't know, because RSV, there's the flu, the main one, which I didn't know about, which is a herpes virus, like the one that causes cold sores. Well, first of all, it's a life virus that you have to deal with, but in newborns it can be deadly because it infects their organs and can kill them. So that was a big one. And then RSV can cause long hospital stays and all of that. And so I started making more designs for newborns, and parents love them. And then when I got pregnant with twins, my husband was like, hey, you know what? Why don't you quit your job and try to make this go as your full-time job, and then that way you could also take care of the kids at the same time. And I was like, I don't know if I could do this, but we went ahead and took the plunge. We did that. So we looked in the manufacturing, we found a manufacturer, I designed the packaging for everything, and we had our first signs, and it was so cool to see them in plastic and something that's gonna be extra waterproof, you can sanitize them. And really that was the start of, well, back then we called it tags for Tots, because we just started off with the car seat tags. And then fast forward a little bit, after the twins were born, the signs actually went viral. They were on The Bump, Yahoo News homepage, Yahoo News, Good Morning America had them. We were featured on the Doctor's television show, which was super cool. And yeah, the signs took off from there. So that's the story how we got started with our tags, and our main staple item behind Three Little Tots. And basically with every new product that I come out with, my concerns are always A, safety, B, I want them to look cute and adorable, and also affordable, because I feel like the baby industry is way overpriced, and I just wanted to make things that were stylish, cute, safe, and affordable. And every product that we have has a story behind it, and I think that's really awesome as well. So I'll tell you a little bit more about each of those products coming up.